Thank you for your purchase on Funride or 8 3-in-1 ride-on. This rider comes with attractive looks, steady body base, storage space under the seat. This product is easy to assemble by using these simple parts. You will also need a piler and a screwdriver to assemble. Step 1. Take the main body. Attack the backrest to main body bu hand pressing. Step 3. Fix the handrest with the backrest at 180 degrees, both side. Then lock the handrest in the steering side with the help of lock provided in the handrest. Now, fix the parental handle to the backrest by the lock button on the parental handle. Step 6. Open the battery cap and insert the batteries. In the last step, close the battery cap with help of screw. Your beautiful R8 3-in-1 ride-on is now ready to ride.